In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use grid lines within an editor to ensure your content looks perfect on every screen size. Understanding how to work with grid lines is essential for anyone looking to optimize their web design process. So, let's dive in and explore how these helpful guides can simplify your designing experience. When you're designing within an editor, you might notice these dotted lines that appear, known as grid lines. They are an invaluable tool for ensuring all your content remains visible and well arranged, regardless of the screen size your audience is using. Grid lines are visible only inside the editor and act as guides to help you position your elements optimally. It's worth noting that these lines won't appear on the final version of your site that visitors will see, so there's no need to worry about them affecting the aesthetic of your page. To activate or deactivate these grid lines, you'll want to head up to the top bar of the editor. From there, find the Tools drop-down menu, and you'll notice a checkbox dedicated to grid lines. Ticking this box will enable them, and unticking it will disable them. This feature allows you to customize your workspace according to your preferences, giving you complete control over how you view and design your page. Now let's talk about the interplay between grid lines and columns. Within the editor, columns come with their own set of grid lines that are distinct from the general editor grid lines. These column grid lines are crucial when you're dealing with more complex layouts that involve multiple columns. Just like the editor's grid lines, the columns grid lines help make sure your content is displayed correctly across various devices and browsers. An important aspect to remember is that the grid lines within a column will override the editor's grid lines. This means you can freely adjust your content beyond the editor's vertical grid lines, provided that you remain within the boundaries of the column's own grid lines. This flexibility allows for more creative freedom while ensuring structural and visual consistency on all devices. To sum up, grid lines are a vital part of the web editing process. They provide a reliable framework to keep your designs neat and professional, ensuring that your content adjusts seamlessly on any screen size. By taking advantage of both the editor's and columns grid lines, you can achieve a more balanced and accessible design. Adjust these settings in the Tools menu to suit your working preferences, and you'll be well on your way to creating designs that are both beautiful and functional. That wraps up today's tutorial. Embrace the power of grid lines to elevate your design skills, and as always, keep experimenting to find what works best for you and your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.